close now, you can really feel the warmth in it. I don't want to get any closer. Well, I kind of do, but I know I shouldn't. This is what I was talking about. I'm heading west, and as you can see, the smoke there from that fire is, yeah, covering the highway. Thankfully, it's a bit higher up.
No, seriously, you're not getting any closer than this.
800 feet, so I'm gonna hit the road. Just below Griffith Peak, the fire is about 1,000 feet below me. Is incredible roar.
The sun just, you probably can't see that beautiful reddish amber color I can. It's just freaking insane. The colors, of course, the fact that it's from a forest fire isn't so great, but the colors are just absolutely beautiful, like a beautiful sunrise, a sunset.